Hello everyone, apply some hair wax and split the remaining section of the hair into two, in the top section and the remaining section. Then also have ponytails in the 5 parts of the hair and have the middle section of the hair to braid it and make it as a roll. Then with the remaining ponytails we have attached together in pairs and have it combined at the center with another hairband, braid it, roll it into a bun and have it in place by dropping a little hairband. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and with the back section of the hair, split them into 3 parts and have a little ponytail on the left section and a thinner braid. In the middle section of the hair, make a ponytail but with multiple rubber bands. On the right section, another ponytail and braid it. Then attach it to the bottom section of the big ponytail at the top section and split them into 2 parts and braid it in a thicker manner and roll it anti-clockwise and hide the tip underneath the bun by dropping a little hairband and a rubber band of course and dropping your favorite hair clutcher. Smooth bun with hair ties. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it a little bit. Then in the middle section, make hair ties and have extra rubber bands onto it. Then in the back section of the hair, make a ponytail and straighten a little bit by using a bun maker and roll it to the top and have it in place and hide it by using the excessive part of the hair. Then in the back section of the hair, split them into 2 parts and have it braided along with the tails we have in a thinner manner and secure with a rubber band. Hold your lovely hair from behind and make a ponytail out of it and attach a very beautiful rubber band onto it. Then split the tail into 2 parts and have a little strip of hair in the middle section and have it into a thicker braid. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom part and have the end secure with a rubber band. Then after that, make a bell-like shape in the bottom by bending the tail and have it attached to the last loop of the rubber band. Then have a very beautiful hair clutcher attached behind the ponytail carefully. Then also have a very beautiful hairband attached from the front section, making it complete. Braided buns with ribbons. Comb the side section of the hair and have the back section of the hair into 2 ponytails and have the bottom one with more rubber bands and attach it to the top. In the middle section of the hair, have it into parts and have strips of hair borrowed from it into a thinner braid. Do borrow excess hair from the front, making the ridges visible and attach the braid to the ponytail and release it and have a beautiful rubber band onto it. And also make a beautiful hair ribbon and attach it to a ponytail and braid it and roll it into a bun and have it secure by dropping a little hairband. Buns with lovely triangular loops. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it a little bit and have ponytails on the side section. In the back section of the hair, split them into 4 parts and have tiny ponytails on each of them. Then split the middle ponytails into 2 and have it attached to either of them. Then after that, continue doing the splitting thing again until you reach the center and have it into a triangular loop and have it dropped into the ponytail. Braid it and roll it into a bun and secure it there. A little bun in a star-shaped loop. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it and have 5 ponytails onto it and split the tails into 2 and have rubber bands in the top section in a tight manner. Then combine the tails into pairs, forming a loop and combine it together at the center and have it braided in a thicker manner and roll the braid into a bun and secure it by little hairband on side. Braid with strings of beads. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it a little bit and have a ponytail in the back section and attach a hair clutcher that has strings of beads onto it and split the tail into 2 and have it braided along with the beads in a thicker manner. Then do it until you reach the bottom part and have the end secure with a rubber band. Then with the excessive part of the strings of beads, have it into a bow tie design and secure it there as well. Then decorate even more further, drop in lovely hair clutcher on the bottom of the braid. Simple folded braids. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair, comb it a little bit and have a ponytail on the top section of the hair, split them into 2 parts and have it braided. So once when you do the braiding, borrow strips of hair on the side section in the middle part to make the ridges visible. Continue doing it until you empty all the hair in that section and after that braid it as normal as you would do and have the end secure with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the right side and on the left and have the remaining section of the hair, split them into 2 and have it braided and fold it to the top. Grab your beautiful hair from behind and use an elastic hairband and attach it, making a lovely ponytail and leave the hair as such. Thank you everyone for watching this video.